Hello, my beautiful blossoms. It's Lily here from Inspirational Flower, your haven where petals of wisdom and vines of knowledge intertwine. Today we're going to embark on a journey that will take us through the enchanting world of carnations and the bridges they build in our lives. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and let's allow the seeds of inspiration, love, and friendship to blossom together. Now, let's imagine ourselves in a quaint little town, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river. In this town, there's a tradition that has been passed down from generation to generation. Every year, on the first day of spring, the townsfolk gather in the town square, each carrying a bouquet of carnations. These aren't just any carnations, my dear blossoms. Each color represents a different emotion, a different connection. Red for love, white for good luck, and pink for gratitude. The townsfolk exchange these carnations, building bridges of friendship, love, and gratitude. Our protagonist, a young woman named Rose, is new to the town. She's nervous, unsure of how she'll fit in, but she's also hopeful, clutching her bouquet of mixed carnations tightly. As she steps into the town square, she's met with a sea of smiling faces, each holding out a carnation to her. Rose exchanges her red carnations with a young man, their eyes meeting in a silent promise of love. She hands a white carnation to an elderly woman, wishing her good luck. And she gives a pink carnation to a little girl, expressing her gratitude for the warm welcome. Through these simple exchanges, Rose finds herself woven into the fabric of the town. She's no longer a stranger, but a part of a community, a part of a tradition that celebrates connection and friendship. And that, my dear blossoms, is the power of carnations. They're not just flowers, but symbols of connection, of friendship, of love. They remind us that no matter where we are, no matter who we are, we can always build bridges, always form connections. So the next time you see a carnation, remember Rose and her journey. Remember the bridges she built, the connections she formed, and maybe, just maybe, you'll be inspired to build your own bridges, form your own connections. That's all for today, my beautiful blossoms. Remember, each petal tells a story and every bloom inspires. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's continue to grow, flourish, and find joy in life's simple pleasures together. Until next time, keep blooming.